Do you see this color blend though, Outre?
Girl.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new Outre unit. This one is from the Sleeklay Part collection. I'm wearing it in the style Geovanna and the color number DRFF Frosted Dark Blonde. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It is slightly pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs, and you do get your center HD lace part going right down the middle, honey. So let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. The hairline is definitely not bad. It could use some work. I feel like it's definitely workable as is if you're lazy like me and you don't want to put the most work in. I feel like it's a little bit better plucked on these sides than it is in the front, but it definitely, you could see this. It definitely could use some plucking for sure, but as a whole, I feel like it's pretty good. This one is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you want to, but with this Outre Sleeklay Part collection, it's supposed to give you the ability to not necessarily need to add heat. It's supposed to lay flat right out of the box, which I feel like it did. I may be getting a little tiny bit of humpage going on in the back, but like I said, you can add heat to just sort of adhere that down and get that together. So the length on this, as listed on the stock card, is 22 inches, and I'm 5'3" for reference. So let me just show you where it's sitting on me. Now the cap size on this one, you guys, is definitely on the smaller to medium size. If you do have a larger size head, I absolutely would not suggest this one at all. It definitely doesn't really feel like there's much stretch to this one. I feel like luckily for me, it did fit my head perfectly, but I feel like if the cap was any smaller, this one would be an issue. So I think if you do have a large size head, I definitely would kind of just not really go for this one because it may be a struggle and it may be fitting your head pretty tight. So the texture on this one, honey, It's nothing yucky about it. It's definitely a silky unit, and y'all know I never go for the silky. The color and the curl pattern kind of saves it for me. For the fact that it's silky and the curl pattern itself, I absolutely would say that this is going to be a special occasion unit, honey. I definitely did notice a good amount of shedding, a good amount of tangling. I tried to reduce that some with some foaming mousse, and it did kind of help it some, but I am noticing some frizziness. Nothing too crazy, but I definitely do not see this being an everyday type unit. I definitely don't see this one necessarily lasting a good amount of time. The quality of the hair itself is definitely not bad. It feels nice and silky, but honey, like, it's not gonna last you long at all if you plan on wearing this one as an everyday unit, so definitely just keep that in mind. So the density on this one is really nice, you guys. This is all the hair to the front. I feel like it's sitting at like 150% density right now, but I absolutely feel like you can get it to 180% if you were to brush these curls out even more. I didn't really do too much with it. I didn't use my wide tooth comb. I just went in with my fingers and slightly combed out the curls some, but honestly, y'all, I feel like even how it comes straight out of the box, like, you do not need to touch these curls. These are like big body voluptuous curls, so like I don't even feel like you really need to go in and finger comb them out. Anyway, honey, this curl pattern is everything. This color is beautiful. So let's just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con with this unit is going to be definitely probably preference. The fact that the texture is so silky that I don't see it lasting super long. I think honestly I would say this unit was a 10 out of 10 if they had just switched the texture to Yaki, because I feel like it would last so much longer and it would be hitting. Like, Yaki's always hitting. But other than that, that's probably going to be my only con that I have with this unit. My pros on it are going to be the fact that it's flat right out of the box, the way that the curls are hitting, the fact that I was able to kind of comb them out some and it wasn't getting too crazy on me, and the mousse kind of brought it right back. The color, the length on it, super nice. The fact that it's super lightweight on my head. I feel like all in all, if you pick this one up, you won't be disappointed unless you're expecting Yaki, then you will be disappointed. But other than that, I feel like this unit was super good. It's definitely beginner friendly. It's absolutely a throw in and go. This did not take me much time at all, so I am absolutely always here for that. It's definitely customizable. You can definitely make it work for you. That's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.